we made a lot of changes to our new learning management system to make things even more easier for our students to navigate through here and there. I'm going to take you through a walkthrough on this particular platform and let you browse through the rest. Okay, now the essence of this facelift in our website, we actually have a previous one. Let me show you what the previous website looks like. So this is what we had before now, and practically I wasn't impressed to announce this. Even after the website design, I didn't publish any part of this as our learning management system, but our students used this to learn. So I want to walk you through this website and show you what you need to know, the basic things you need to know. Then you can browse through the rest of the website, whether with your mobile phone, your tablet, your laptop, your desktop, whatever breakpoints. We made this very responsive to all device aspect ratios. So coming through the home page, you're going to see at the top right, we find a profile icon with my image. Now, this profile icon will be replaced with your image. As long as you logged in or signed in and you updated your profile with your bios, your name, your profile image, automatically this will be updated in the front end of the website, which means as you're browsing through the website, it is your image that will show at the header of the website. This automatic, this is a dynamic element, so it switches dynamically to any user images as long as that user is signed into our platform through their devices. Okay, this by the left, you can get to the home page through the logo. Click on the logo, you can get to the home page. You can click on the menu here, you can get back to the home page. The pro course, I will talk about this and I will talk about the dashboard in a little while, but let's take a little time to go through the home page and see what we got. So as you can see, we have our account here, we have join the tribe, we have begin class. Now, join the tribe simply takes you to the shop page, or I'll call that product page or courses page. Now, begin class takes you to your dashboard, or if you're not logged in, it takes you to a login page, so it's dynamic. It takes you to a login page, then you log in, it pulls you into your dashboard. Your dashboard is where you see everything. I'm going to show you everything right in front of you here. So we scroll down, we see a little brief, a summary of a few courses. You can get to see all other courses. Now, if you purchased a course, you are not going to see add to cart anymore. Let me show you what it feels like when you are just new here. Just feel, this is how it feels like. You can see view cart or add to cart or add to cart. If you add a product to cart, you can then view the cart. If you have purchased a course, automatically the add to cart button will disappear and you'll find continue learning for courses which you have already started. But for courses you have not started already, you will see start learning. Okay? Now this is very simple way to join. If you want to continue a course, if it's in the homepage, you can click continue learning from here. If it is not, you can browse through the platform and start your course from there. There are many ways to start a course. You can also start your course from your dashboard. I never mentioned you can also visit your dashboard by clicking on the image at the top right corner of your header. Now scrolling down, we're going to find a little information about our learning management system. This is most basic things you need to know about learning management system and what we offer, the features of this learning management system. This management system is not about design. We didn't revamp it just because of design, but because of interactivity and user friendliness. That's what we did this for. We did it so it will become easier for our students to actually learn from our platform. Now scrolling down, you're going to see some of a few projects done by most of our students, some of them done by us. So you can see what you'll be able to achieve if you actually join either a web design course or a brand identity design course. Take your time to go through this. I don't have enough time to pull that through. Now you can see the next section is our featured course. So this is our web design featured course. This is our first featured course, and we are so proud of this particular course because this particular course is going to ground you on the basics you need to know about web designing and also pull you through to the next level. Now, in this particular course, we have the first levels. We do the wireframing, site mapping, prototyping. We get into hosting and domain. We get into installing WordPress and get into installing your plugins. And we start teaching you the dynamics of design, okay? The principles of design, interactivity, the elements style guide, and all of the things you need to know about website design. So this is not just a team-based design, and we don't teach code. This, we are going to teach you how to use element by element, the image element, the button element, the text element, the text hierarchy, teaching you everything you need to know about website design. That's what you learn in this course. This course is so powerful that it is not a static course that when you purchase, it's all you see, that's what you learn. No, we update the courses over time. If we realize that we have a new trend in the user interface environment, we have to introduce that, and you get notification automatically as we upload a new course. Now that is just about that. If you want to enroll, you can use the button over here to enroll. The same process to enroll, that's the same process from the other side. So this is also our monogram course, our best monogram course. This is our pro monogram course. Logo design, you can also enroll from here. You can also watch the video by clicking the button as you can see in the video. So scroll down, you see this slide section, very beautiful section. You can check that out, and you see some of our ratings. Okay, I will call these achievements, some of the achievements we've done. You can visit our different pages from here. Now if you visit this particular section from your mobile device, you'll be able to see another column which will lead you to our WhatsApp group. I didn't include that here because that won't feel responsive. Okay, so you're gonna see on mobile, you see another column with 600 plus users. Click on the button, these are the button below it. Click on it and it will take you to our WhatsApp group, so you can join our WhatsApp group for most of our free classes. Now here is also a recent project we have done. You can swipe or slide through this to see how this feels. You can visit the website, all these websites, if you actually want to visit them and see how they feel like on your device. These are real websites, these are not Figma designs. These are real clients' websites. You can visit them with the link at the top side, or can enroll to the course by clicking on the enroll button. Now scrolling down, you can get the frequently asked question. Here you can find all the questions you are supposedly wanting to ask, and you can find their answers. By clicking the accordion, it opens up the drop down for you to see the answer to each of the question. Now we have the final accordion. It have multiple answer to multiple questions. So here is some other things you may need to know in the last one, but all important questions you need are available here. But if you have more questions, the section at the bottom part will now give you an option to fill a form and ask your question, and we'll reply you as soon as we can. So scrolling down, you see some other interactivity or some other sections that will actually lead you to different courses or so. And we have our 3 student testimonial. These are our real students, okay? And we are going to show you these persons, their faces, their profile, their projects, and everything in the nearest future. These are our real students. We have more testimonials. I think you can read more testimonials from here. Click this button, you can get to see more of our student testimonials. Okay, now scrolling down, you can see the form. You can fill in your inquiry form from here, your name, your email, whatever. You select which of the inquiry for web design, or you want to inquire for brand identity design, and you submit. And that is all about it in our homepage. Now let's get into our course page to see how it feels like. Now the course page is like a products page, where you products page, okay, that's plural, not singular. Products page means you can actually purchase. Here is where you see all the available courses to purchase. Okay, very beautiful header. As you can see, welcome, your mentorship begins here. Now you can select on any course to actually start learning, or actually read about it before you start learning. You can actually go through a course description before you start getting into purchasing that particular course. Now let me show you what the course description feels like. Now we're going to check out the course description for our web design course. So I already opened that tab, and this is what it feels like. This actually is what the course description page feels like. You can click on the show more button, okay, to see everything, read every detail you need to know from here. Then going down, you can see what you will learn about this course, from this course, I mean. Then you can see the content modules, okay? Yeah, you can see all the modules, or all the lectures and courses, everything. You are going to find them in this drop down. You're going to see everything you need to learn, and we are adding more modules over time, okay? These are the ones that are available for now. We are adding more modules. We have about 15 to 16 modules to go down for this, and we have about 9 now, so we are having a few left. At the right corner, you're going to see every required stuff. If you're actually starting the course, you see your progress bar from here to see how far you have gone for this particular course, okay? And here you can see all the basic benefits of this course, okay? This is all level enrollment, and this is a lifetime enrollment. So it's not something you are going to purchase now and you get left behind. You can see the reviews from here. You can see question and answer, an announcement. You can see the resources from here. Now scrolling down, you can see the lead instructor from here. You can see the materials that are included in this particular course. You can see the requirements that are necessary to start up this course, and you can see who this course is actually meant for. This particular platform is well organized, that is simple and seamless to you. I'm going to show you how our learning system looks like. So let's continue learning from here. So you see how fast our platform loads, very fast and seamless. On mobile, you still get the same interactivity. Now we have our quiz interaction. You can see the quizzes to go through. If you want to learn quizzes, you can go through. These are quizzes that I have actually completed. Here is the assignment page and how it feels like. This is how the assignment page feels like. You can read all assignments and you can start your submissions from here. You can see the quiz. Let me open another quiz interaction from here. You can see the quiz instructions and you can start up your quiz. And this is how the quiz feels like. Let me show you. This is how the quiz feels like. You get to answer a few questions. Let me just submit a few questions and show you what it feels like. I'm just selecting randomly. I'm not taking my time. So after you're done with the quiz, automatically it submits the quiz to us for verification. Let's select just one. So this is it. I failed this quiz because I got only one correct answer and I failed 5. Now you can get in more deeper to understand which one you failed by clicking on details to know which one you failed and which one you passed. Okay, these have core statistics for you, everything well organized so you don't miss a thing. Okay, now let's get into, I've shown you the learning system, I've shown you the quiz, I've shown you the assignment, the question and answer. You can drop your question and answer on every courses. If you have any course, you can drop your question and answer from this section. Okay, drop your question and submit automatically. If I receive it, I will reply you and you get email. For every assignment you submit and we evaluate the assignment, you are getting an email automatically to see actually the progress, or if you passed or failed that particular assignment, or if you are going to repeat. And we grade this by 70 grade points. 70 grade point means if you don't score at the end of the course, you don't score up to 70%, means you are not going to be certified. You're going to repeat that class. Okay, so this means that in every course you are going to try your possible best to score at least 60, 70, 90 and so those grades are what pulls your grade points up. In case you might score 50 in some courses, you might score 90, you might still pass. But if you are just scoring 60, 50, 60, 50, you're not going to pass that course because you're not going to get up to 70 grade points as we stipulated in our course curriculum. So now we get to the dashboard and let's see what the dashboard feels like. This is how beautiful your dashboard is going to look. Okay, you're going to see your statistics and analytics. You're going to see everything you need to know about your progress. You're going to see a very cool analytic. You see the earning cards, you see the progress, you see the courses, statistics, analytics. Okay, you can go through everything you have done in your platform. Now if you actually registered for multiple courses, you're going to see your multiple courses in this particular platform. Okay, if you register for multiple courses, all you need to do is click on enrolled courses and you're going to see all your enrolled courses from here, just like so. You're going to see all your enrolled courses. So you can just click on continue courses and you continue on that particular one. So you can enroll on a web design course, you can enroll on a logo design course, a brand identity design course. You're going to see all of those from here and continue learning just from here. You can find your notification from this angle, click on it and you're going to see all notification if we have a new quiz, or we have a new announcement, or we are having a new live class, a Zoom class. You're going to get all those notifications from here. And that is as easy as that. You can get to settings to do your settings, set up your profile. I'm going to do some separate courses to analyze all these pages one after the other. I'm just taking you through these particular pages on a random phase, but I'm going to go more deep to explain these pages one after the other in the coming week. Okay, the course pages, how to take quizzes, how to take assignments, I'm going to do those separately so it becomes easier for you. I'm going to create a playlist now on YouTube channel so it becomes easier for you to actually learn from this platform. So this is just how your dashboard is going to look like. And on mobile, let's inspect this on mobile responsiveness. I want to show you something on mobile. So as you can see from mobile, you see that the menus at the left corner has cascades to menu at the bottom. So don't expect to see the menu at the left corner or in a button. They are all below here. So click on the menu at the bottom part. You're going to find something here. Okay, see it from here. You see your question and answer. You see all your courses. Click all your courses. You're going to find all your enrolled courses from here. And the menu, you're going to find the menu from here. Click on the menu from here. You see the drop down and you can proceed with your learning. So that is how it feels like in mobile. Very responsive and everything is well organized. So guys, that is everything you needed to know about our learning management system. Take your time, go through this platform, see if it's actually having any issue from your end, then report that to me immediately. If you find any bug in our website, feel free to report that to me through our email, or if you have a direct contact with me, do that. I'll be so glad to receive it. Once again, my name is Manuel from CaterGraphix. I'm happy to actually be opening this platform for everyone, both our students, people who are not our students, you can actually get in. And by the way, I want to introduce, we'll be including some new courses in the future. So you'll be able to learn some free courses in our platform. So over the time, we might be including 1 or 2 courses which are free for students who actually want to test out our platform and see how the learning system feels like, the certification, the quiz, the question and answers, just that you have a few limited options to go through than people who are actually registered. So get one of these courses and I'll be expecting to see you in class. Do have a wonderful day. And once again, this is Manuel from CaterGraphix.